Hey everybody, it's Mr. D from the East Bay Center for the Performing Arts, and I am back again to teach you another hip-hop dance video. Today we're going to be focused on the style of tutting. That's why you can only see the top half of my body, because I'll be mostly using my arms. Yeah, so with tutting, we're mainly going to be making different types of shapes. So triangles, boxes, right angles, stuff like that. You know, you've seen it. You mostly see this type of form or movement in like Egyptian paintings when they're like standing like this to depict that they're walking or something, you know, this type of dance. And that is where it was originally inspired from. So today I'm going to be showing you a very basic and simple tutting combination. It's going to be so basic and simple and easy that we're going to do it forwards and then we're going to do it backwards. Okay, so first step is 1. Very nice. 2, bring the elbows out, make a straight line. 2. 3, you're going to take that right palm and you're going to flip it underneath the left one. 3. Very good. Go back to 2. And 3. Just flip that underneath. Very nice. Very perfect. Cool. And then you're going to slide your wrist to your elbows for 4. It should look like this. And 5, you're going to flip your hands, fingertips to elbows to make that box. Very good. Let's go back to 4. Wrist to elbows, and you're going to flip them. You see how your hands can do that? That's what you're going to do. Flip one down and flip one up. Fingertips to elbows for 4. Good. 6. This is going to flatten it. Okay, go back to 5. 6, flatten it. 7, fingertips to fingertips. 8, stick your arm straight out. 8. Cool. Now, for those of you that are doing this for the first time, you may feel like a tension or tightness in your shoulders, so just give them a shake. Really good. Roll them out a few times. Get a little quick stretch if you need to, and then go back and do 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flatten the box. 6, fingertips. 7, back out. 8. Let's try it again from the top, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice, very good. Now let's try it backwards. 8, 7. Remember? 6, 5, flip the wrist. 4, let's go back to 5. 5, flip the wrist. 4, very nice. 3, 2, and 1. Again, from the backwards. 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now that we got it backwards and we got it forwards, let's try it once forwards, once back. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that is it for the tutting combination for today. You can go home and practice it to any song that you want. It could be a fast song, it could be a slow song, it could be your favorite song, it could be a TikTok song. Whatever you want, just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is all from me today. Peace out. See you in the next one.